Hi everyone, this is your grade 6 geography chapter 7 our country India video 1. India is a country of vast geographical expanse. In the north it is bound by the lofty Himalayas, Arabian Sea in the west, Bay of Bengal in the east and Indian Ocean in the south. India has an area of about 3.28 million square kilometer. The north-south extent from Kashmir to Kanyakumari is about 3200 kilometer. And east to west extent from Arunachal Pradesh to Kuch Kuch is about 2900 kilometer. And the lofty mountains, the great Indian desert, the northern plains, the uneven plateau surface, and the coast and the islands present a diversity of landforms. There is a great variety in the climate, vegetation, wildlife, as well as in the language and culture. Yes, in this, that bind us one nation. In this, that bind us as one nation. India has a population of more than 120 crores since the year 2011. It is the second most populous country of the world after the country China. Yes. India is located in the northern hemisphere. The Tropic of Cancer passes almost halfway through the country from south to north. Mainland of India extends between 8.4 degree north and 37.6 degree north latitudes. From east to west, India extends between 68.7 degree east and 97.25 degree east longitudes. If you divide the world into eastern and western hemisphere, which hemisphere would India belong to? Yes, due to great longitude and extent of about 29, there could be a wide difference in local time of places located at two extreme points of India. As such, the difference between these 2 points would be of about 2 hours. As you have learnt earlier, the local time changes by 4 minutes for every 1 degree of longitude. The sun rises about 2 hours earlier in the east than in the west. You have already read earlier why the local time of longitude of 82.30 degree east has been taken as the Indian Standard Time. This meridian or longitude is also termed as the Standard Meridian of India. Okay. The next thing is India's neighbors. There are 7 countries that share land boundaries with India. Okay. Afghanistan, Pakistan, Nepal, China, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar and so on. Okay. And across the sea to the south lie our island neighbors Sri Lanka and Maldives. Sri Lanka is separated from India by the Pak Strait. Then, the next topic is physical divisions. India is marked by diversity of physical features such as mountains, plateaus, plains, coast and islands. Standing as sentinels in the north are the lofty snow-capped Himalayas. Him plus Alaya, it means the abode of snow, snow home. The Himalayan mountains are divided into 3 main parallel ranges. The northernmost is the Great Himalaya or Himadri. The world's highest peaks are located in this range. Middle Himalayas are Himachal, lies to the south of Himadri. The Shivalik is the southernmost range of the Himalayas. The northern Indian plains lie to the south of the Himalayas. They are generally level and flat. These are formed by the alluvial deposits laid down by the rivers from the Indus, the Ganga, the Brahmaputra and their tributaries. These river plains provide fertile land for the cultivation, for doing farming. That is the reason for high concentration of population in these plains. In the western part of India lies the Great Indian Desert. It is a dry, hot and sandy stretch of land. It has a very little vegetation. To the south of the northern plains lies the Peninsular Plateau. It is triangular in shape. The relief is highly uneven. This is the region with numerous hill ranges and valleys. Aravalli Hills, one of the oldest ranges of the world. Border it on the northwest side. The Vindhya and the Satpuras are the most important ranges here. The river Narmada and Tapi flow through these ranges. These are west flowing river that drain into the Arabian Sea. The Western Ghats are Sahyadris border the plateau in the west and the Eastern Ghats provide the eastern boundary. While the Western Ghats are almost continuous. The plateau is rich in mineral like coal and iron ore. To the west of the Western Ghats and the east of the Eastern Ghats lie the coastal plains. The western coastal plains are very narrow. The eastern coastal plains are much broader. There are number of east flowing rivers. The rivers like Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, and Kaveri drain into the Bay of Bengal. These rivers have formed fertile deltas as their at their mouth. The Sundarban Delta is formed where the Ganga and Brahmaputra flow into the Bay of Bengal. And you can refer page number 50 for India physical map. Okay, children, at the end of your class work, I mean you're at the end of your class work writing of your lesson 7, so you have to get one India physical map and you have to do this map, I mean India physical map, which is there in your geography content book, page number 50. Okay. Okay. Then two groups of islands form part of India, Lakshadweep Islands and Andaman Nicobar Islands. Okay, the next thing is they have given few points about tsunami here, and also these Lakshadweep Islands are coral islands located off the coast of Kerala. And corals are skeletons of tiny marine animals called polyps. When the living polyps die, their skeletons are left. Other polyps grow on the top of the hard skeleton, which grows higher and higher, thus forming the coral island. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands lie to the southeast of the Indian mainland in the Bay of Bengal. See the map. So children, based on this video, there are few questions. Answer the following questions. India has an area of about dash million square kilometer. India is located in dash hemisphere. Third one, name the countries which share land boundaries with India. For this question, you can refer your geography content book, page number 48 for answer. How many states and union territories are there in India now? Write a short note on Great Indian Desert or Thor Desert. For this question, you can refer your geography content book, page number 51 for answer. Children, one more question for you. Do you know which group of islands were affected by the tsunami in 2004? Find out through newspaper reports and by speaking to people how in different ways people have faced this challenge when tsunami struck the Indian coast. Okay? Okay. Thanks for watching the video. Keep watching.